Hello, welcome back to Damon Does It. Today we're going to be installing our steering shaft kit on a Husqvarna riding mower. The tools we need: a vice grip, 3/8 drive, and a T40 socket. Today we'll only need to be installing this part right here. I believe it's called the pinion. And it takes a T40. You can see that. This is not a regular Allen key, it's a T40. It's star shaped. Here's our gear. I'm just going to call this the steering gear. Right here, here's our rack. And this is going to be the most common failure point. You're going to know you need it because when your steering starts feeling notchy, as you can see, it's getting chewed away. And if you don't replace this, you're going to screw up this. We have a T40 and an extension. I almost forgot to mention, you're going to need to put some vice grips on the steering shaft itself so it doesn't spin. Real quick, if you have a stripped out screw, you can use some screen. You just form it on your bit. If you use Husqvarna parts, you shouldn't have this issue, but I just had to use what they had at the time. Okay, now it should just fall right out. It doesn't look bad, but just that little chew mark will just start wearing on your rack, and you'll have to replace that as well. Okay, we've cleaned and inspected our steering shaft and it's in good condition. It's not rounding off. Okay, we've cleaned off and inspected our steering rod and it's not rounded off, so it's fine. If it did show scarring, we would have to replace that and it'd take a bit more time. You can see what I mean here. It has a hexagon shape. We're going to put it on. You may have to rock the gear side to side to get it in. Now it comes with a little coat, a thread lock, and this is optional, but I would put this tape on it, the OD. I wouldn't use cheap stuff. Like I said, this thread is optional, but I highly recommend it. It's very easy to back out. I don't know how many times it's happened until I started using this. Okay, now it's on nice and tight. I'll test it out. You'll find the steering kit on Amazon for about 40 bucks. Be sure to visit my channel and check out all of my other detailed videos.